Samsung is about to launch 3 new phones in its Galaxy A series, the Galaxy A56, a 36, and a 26. So far, leaks have revealed the prices of the A56 and A36 in India, along with the design and some specifications of all 3 models. However, there were still many details missing until now. The new report from Germany's Wind Future has shared the complete specifications of these phones along with their expected launch date and prices in Europe. The good news is that despite introducing some unique features like Gorilla Glass 7 Plus, Samsung is keeping the prices the same as last year's models. The phones are expected to launch within a week. Galaxy A56 specifications. The Galaxy A56 will have a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 2340 x 1080 pixels resolution. Samsung is using Gorilla Glass Victus for protection, which is slightly less advanced than the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on last year's Galaxy A55. The screen will have a punch hole cutout for the front camera. For selfies, the A56 will have a 12-megapixel front camera, which is a lower resolution than the 32-megapixel front camera on the Galaxy A55. However, it might still take better pictures because of a larger, improved sensor. On the back, the phone will have a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization (OIS), a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and an LED flash. The A56 will run on Samsung's Exynos 1580 processor with 8 GB of RAM in all storage variants. The phone will come with Android 15 and One UI 7.0. It will have a 5,000 mAh battery and support 45-watt fast charging. Other features include 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, stereo speakers, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. The phone measures 162 x 77.5 x 7.4 millimeters and weighs 197 grams. However, it won't have a microSD card slot for expandable storage. Galaxy A36 specifications. The Galaxy A36 has the same 6.7-inch display as the A56, but instead of a punch hole camera, it will have a U-shaped notch from the front camera. The most exciting part is that it will be the first phone ever to feature Corning's Gorilla Glass 7 Plus, which hasn't even been officially released yet. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor and will be available with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM. The storage options are expected to be the same as the A56, and it will also run Android 15 with One UI 7.0. The A36 will have the same 12-megapixel front camera as the A56. On the back, it will have a 50-megapixel main camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is not as good as the 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the A56. The battery, charging speed, connectivity options, stereo speakers, and fingerprint scanner will be the same as the Galaxy A56. It will measure 162.7 77.9 x 7.4 millimeters and weigh 195 grams. Price and launch date. Wind Future reports that Samsung will keep the prices the same as last year. Galaxy A56, €479. Galaxy A36, €379. Galaxy A26, €299. Samsung is expected to launch these phones at the Mobile World Congress (MWC) on March 2, with sales starting in early March. The company has also confirmed that these phones will get 6 years of OS updates. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.